Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to find similar offers to the ones that you have already added to your favorites. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then click on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Now tap on My Jobs. Go on to your favorites, select the one you are interested in, then scroll down till you find similar jobs. You can tap on the See More icon and you will be directed to a page where you can find similar offers to the previous job offer. So you can select the one that interests you the most or that you prefer. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.